Hey everyone, welcome to my homologs rice field. You can see that over here on the left we've harvested, or not harvested, but we've cut the rice and we've piled it here. And over here on the right it still has to be cut, but as you can see the grains of rice are on there, and my next video will be showing how we separate the grain from the stalk, and this is how you do it in a third world country without machinery. It's all done by hand. Okay, this is the rice harvesting in process. As you can see, there are tarps on the ground that is used to collect the rice grains, and it's pretty simple. You just take a handful and you smack it over a barrel, and then afterwards we collect it, put it in bags, and the women are in charge of separating the chaff from the grain. After they're done hitting it, they take the stalks and throw it over here. Okay, so we finished separating the grain from the stalk, and right now this is just all of the stalks that flew apart as we were hitting it over the barrels. And so we pile it up, and these boys smack it to get any last grains off. Then we will get rid of these stalks and then do one more filtration process to try and get the stalks and some of the chaff removed before bagging it. This is the final step before bagging the rice. You can see my homolog on the left in the yellow. He is taking the small pile of rice that's now left and throwing it on top of this larger pile, where these boys are using palm leaves to blow off the lighter impurities, like the husks of the rice and also small bits of stalk that are left after hitting the rice over the barrels. Okay, final step. This is the bagging of the rice. I'm guessing that today's take from this little bit that we've been doing will be 1, 2, 3, 4, probably 4 100 kilo sacks. So about 880 pounds, close to 900 pounds actually, of rice. So there it is, start to finish. Okay, they're going to do a little acting for you. This is them speaking in the local language of Jula. Okay, there it is. That's Jula. That's what I'm going to learn. That's what we call a very strong donkey. Actually a very typical donkey